Good morning everybody and welcome to Audi Technic Centre here in Glasgow. Today I'd like to show you our latest car into stock. This Audi A5 Sportback 2 litre TDI S-Line model. It's S-tronic automatic, finished in glacier white with the black half leather Alcantara interior, and it's a beautiful car. So the S-Line comes with the operated headlights with daytime LED running lights. The car also has genuine Audi S5 19-inch diamond spoke alloy wheels, which I think really set the car off. Glacier is a white metallic. The car has privacy glass at the rear, and also rear LED tail lights as well. A5 has a great boot in it. Really good boot space. This particular car has a rear reversing camera as well. Good capacity in the rear for 5 passengers. All the seats go down, giving you a massive through-load area. Sport seats, and this particular car also has electric seats as well with lumbar support. When we go into start, just press the start-stop button. Car has done 41,073 miles. Has nav, telephone, DAB digital radio, and Audi media as well. Car is recently serviced, so 9,400 miles to next service and 16,400 to next major inspection. As we go down, climate control, air conditioning, and Audi's electronic parking brake along with auto hold, which is a great system within the car that allows you to stop the vehicle. It applies the handbrake itself, so you never put a handbrake on and off, it will do everything for you. Sliding centre armrest. Car also has Apple CarPlay, cruise control, auto headlights and wipers, child locks and the windows on this side. This car has an option of electric folding mirrors, which I do like, which will actually fold away as you lock and unlock the car as well. And one of my favourite features on this vehicle is the Bang & Olufsen stereo system. So the Bang & Olufsen, renowned for its quality, and that really gives a great tone to any music you stream through this car. So just to summarise, we have a car here with S5 wheels, we have a car with Bang & Olufsen, electric seats, electric folding mirrors. It's an S-Line, so it's the higher spec to start, and it's really nice. So if this car's of interest to you, phone us today on 0141 772 7766 or visit our website at www.audi-technic.com. Thank you very much.